All right, you guys. One of you asked about pulling the ear cartilage on a deer on our last Q&A. And we're going to do it right here. I've got a student here from Idaho. We've got Chris Horton here all the way over from Idaho. His first day today. Working on a mule deer today. So if you can see this on your ear, you want to make sure like you are turned all the way to the edge. Can you see this? You got to make sure this ear is turned to the absolute very edge. You can see the edge of the ear all the way around, and especially right on here. This is called the leading edge. It's heavier. You should be able to put your fingernail under it. Blade in there. Okay, I can get under that edge. Alright. It's easier if you take this cartilage off in two pieces, and you can see I've already scored it across to here. This way. And you can just get it started with your fingernail. Sometimes these pull easy, sometimes they pull hard. I think it depends on the age of the animal, maybe. How fresh the tan is. Yeah, this cartilage pulls pretty nice. Of course, if you're doing the Bondweiler method, you don't need to pull this cartilage. You still have to remember to get it turned to the edges, though. Poke a hole there. I poked a hole in it for you, Chris. You got it.
Thank you.
Am I doing okay? Is that weird? Yeah.
You see that all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's pretty much got it pulled. I'll have a little hole here to sew, no big deal. But from here you can go ahead and do your test fit. So I'm going to just reverse this out. Get your ear liner. Check your fit. sure all the way out to the edges. You want a little bit of slack in through here, especially down deep. If it's real tight, this thing's going to drum on you as it dries. That fits pretty good. The only thing left to do, and I did the same thing when we prepped our ears, you're going to thin this area down here really good. All this, all the way around here. This is actually done pretty nice already. That's where your earbud's going to go. So that's basically how you pull the cartilage off of the ear. Okay?